down, 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 down. Okay, yes, we're back, back. Now everyone to the dance floor, to the dance floor. Now everyone put your time. Come here, little kitty. Guess who's back? I don't mean that as a new kid. The game on Tuesday. No worries, Papa's got a brand new bag of toys. What else could I possibly do to make noise? I done touched on anything but little boys. And that's not a stab at my I'm the metaphor, I'm just psycho. I go a little bit sometimes I get a little bit out of control with my rhymes. Good God, dip, do a little slide. Bend down, touch your pride at the center of the dance floor. Like TP for my bunghole. And it's cool if you let one go. Nobody's gonna know who'd hear it. Give a little poop, poop, oops, my CD just skipped. And everyone just heard you let oops, I mean girl. Oh baby, baby, it's Friday and it's my day. Just to party on a little Sunday, maybe till Monday. I don't know. Every day's a holiday.
Inaatay ko makasit. Sabi na tayo. Wala na kapagkahalag yung winat ka, no? Allah Akbar! Allah Akbar! Allah Akbar! Allah Akbar! Spit on me, maybe got my eyes out. Shake that thing, oops, I mean girl, 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 girl. You know you're my world. Alright, now lose it. Yes, lose it. Baby, oh baby, baby. It's Tuesday and I'm locked up, I'm in jail. I know what happened. They say I was running butt naked down the street screaming. But I'm sorry, I don't remember as much. I'm gonna they said save it for a reason. Like take my out. Back at everybody. Back to reality. Look, be fellas, grab your left, make your right one jealous. What? Black girls, white girls, skinny girls, fat girls, tall girls, small girls. I'm calling all girls. Everyone report to the dance floor. It's your chance for a little romance or let's squeeze in. It's the season. Just go. So appeasing. Now I'm gonna make you dance. It's your chance. Yeah, boy, shake that thing. Oops, I mean girl, 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 girl. Girl, you know you're my world. Alright, now lose it. Just lose it. Go crazy.